always work upward.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.
Excuse behind me, it was close day, so I have to fold clothes. It's the one thing I didn't get done today was fold all my clothes, so excuse my little hamper if you can see it. Again, I am so exhausted today, I don't really care. I will definitely get it done tomorrow. Hey, and welcome back to Eunique. I have had a very long day. It has been extremely long and I have a very long day tomorrow, so I am going to get to bed. I figured that the best thing I can do is show you guys how to properly use micellar water. It's a very, very good cleanser to use for your skin, especially to get rid of the dirt and the oils and even the makeup, even the eye makeup for your skin. This brand is a different brand. I found it at TJ Maxx. It's pretty good actually because it has the hyaluronic acid in it. I love the hyaluronic acid for my skin, so I decided to get this micellar water instead of the normal one that you see everywhere all the time. Please, please, please make sure that you read the ingredients and make sure that there's no alcohol in the micellar water because it can dry, alcohol alone can dry your skin out if used. So the only thing we will need for this video is the micellar water, and I use cotton pads as well as Q-tips. I have my cotton swabs and about 3 Q-tips here with my micellar water. And I have a damp one, and then I normally have a dry one on hand because I damp it like a lot. Like, it's like, damn, you see that? So I can like resolve. It's best to do this on a dry face. I don't do this wetting my skin. And you kind of just go in and wipe all over. Like I said, I get mine super damp and you'll see why I keep a dry one, or you could probably tell now. So you see, it's kind of dirty. And then I take the dry one and just kind of go over. Whenever you're working on your face, always work upward. It's better to get rid of the saggy skin, and it's a lot with aging for your skin. And when I do the dry one, I can still see that my face is still dirty. So I'll do it again. Then I'll go in with my dry one. Do that. So it's gotten a lot of dirt off my skin, which is great, especially at night, just because having dirt and stuff on your skin at night it's the worst possible thing you can do. Still kind of like to go in with my toner. It's a little facial mist with vitamin C and ferlic acid in it. I have it linked below in the description. And I don't know about you, but when I put on my toner, I want to be damp. Like I want toner. Like I need the tone, okay? Let the toner sit on my face for a while. And this is like my quick, I'm tired, I'm not doing all the steps routine that I just kind of do, but I still need to clean my face because I just don't want my face not to be clean. I like to put on my sunscreen just kind of because my Black Girl sunscreen, it's great. I just can never go without my onion oil. I mean, I can't go without it. Oh. I love to do my facial massages, just like, you know what I mean? Just my skin is now clean.
Normally if I wear makeup, I would have to use the Q-tips for like my eyes, like, you know, like up here. I normally use the Q-tips for that, but I didn't have to use them tonight. I didn't have on makeup, so that's fine. So with the micellar water, as you can see, it's very, very easy to use. You don't have to do all the extra steps I did. That's just kind of my thing. Using the micellar water, and of course adding some kind of moisturizer is definitely important. Adding a moisturizer, you don't want to just let your skin kind of go. I mean, even on those busy nights, you just really want to have some kind of moisturizer in there for your skin. Even with the sunscreen, people are probably like, why is she putting on sunscreen? It's nighttime. She in her house. Like, why do you need sunscreen, sis? Sunscreen is very, very good for you no matter what. I said this in another video, day or night, it doesn't really matter. The rays from the lights, the rays from the sun, the rays from the TV, the lighting on the TV, all of these things are stressors. All of these things are stressors on your skin. I'm sorry, I'm so tired. Oh my God, I'm so tired. It's been a long day. And I'm just kind of doing all this off the cuff right now. Like, I just turned on my camera because I was gonna wash my face before I went to bed, and I was like, I might as well make this video. But I really want to make this video for you guys before I jumped in this bed, just to show you how easy the micellar water is to use and how great it is to use. I have a couple different types linked in my bio below. One for sensitive skin, one for oily, or one for dry skin, one for sensitive skin. Micellar water, I really wanted to show you guys how easy it was to use. And that's it. I'm going to bed. I'll see you next time. Bye.